Hey folks, this is Aslin Blow from linsfood.com. Today, a very special chicken and rice dish from Yemen. Traditionally, this dish is cooked in an underground oven called taboon. The resulting dish, the chicken and the rice, take on a smoky aroma and flavor from being cooked underground with the coals. Now, I'm not going to ask you to dig up your garden. For the home cook, we make this recipe in a regular oven, and then we mimic that smoky aroma and flavor by burning a piece of coal and placing it in the oven right at the end after the oven is turned off, for the chicken and the rice to absorb all that charcoal smoke. So let's go take a look at how we're going to cook chicken mandi. So for the marinade, we're going to need some olive oil, some salt, black pepper, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and some lemon juice. Full recipe, linsfood.com, link is just at the top of the video. Mix it all up, and then we're going to rub that marinade all over the chicken, getting underneath the skin as well, but we must not break that skin. Then we place half a lemon in the cavity and leave the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now we turn the oven on to high before we head on over to the rice. Rinse the rice, set it aside, then we start by sauteing the dry spices, followed by the onions and the chilies, and then we tip the rice in and coat the rice in the fat. This will be followed by the stock and the water. Bring it all up to a boil, then immediately turn the heat off. Now everything goes into the oven. So we place our rice on the lowest shelf of the oven. The chicken goes on top. You could also place the chicken directly on your pot itself, as you see there. Now we're going to cook this on high for 10 minutes, then lower the heat down to 190 Celsius, 375 Fahrenheit, and cook for another hour and a half until the chicken is done. Once the chicken is done, we're going to do two things. Well, three. Turn the oven off, get the coal ready, and fluff and flavor the rice. So we put the small piece of charcoal on a small flame and leave it there for about 15 minutes to turn white hot. In the meantime, scatter the lemon zest, half the lemon zest and half the liquid saffron all over the rice. Recipe video for the liquid saffron is in the top corner of this video. Fluff the rice up completely, then scatter the rest of the saffron as well as the zest all over the rice and cover the rice until the coal is done. When the coal is done, before we get there, you can see that I also cook the rice with some vegetables sometimes. So for variation, hit that link for linsfood.com. Now when that coal is done, uncover the rice and drop the coal directly in a small heat-proof bowl of oil. And quickly place that ramekin into the oven, shut the door tightly, and leave everything to smoke for a good 10 minutes. Here we go. Chicken mandi. How was that? Pretty cool, right? Cooking that chicken above the rice and letting the rice absorb all that yummy fat and fluid from the chicken itself. Now you can keep it simple with just the rice and the chicken, or you can jazz up the rice with some vegetables, as you see in parts of the video that I did. So there you go, chicken mandi from linsfood.com. For the whole recipe, hints and tips, head on over to my blog. The link is just over there. Take care now. I'll be seeing you guys real soon.